How to set WhatsApp call tunes or how to change ringtone on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your ringtone on WhatsApp. Now to do so, first open up the WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings. Once on settings, you'll find the option notifications right under the chats option. Tap on notifications and here if you scroll down below, you'll find the option under calls, that ringtone you can see right there. Tap on ringtone and here you'll be able to change your ringtone. Now I don't have any sound on my device, or else you'll get an option to set a song from your device. So you can just select any sound that you want, and once you do this, if you head back, you can see the song that I just chose has been set as my ringtone. So this way you can set WhatsApp call tunes or set a song as WhatsApp ringtone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.